always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're gonna go ahead and get into this Fashion Nova pickup haul. I do have two packages that they actually sent me, and we're gonna go ahead and go over all these items for you. I'm gonna actually be trying some of them on, so I really do hope you guys enjoy this one. Slap a like on it if you do. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Let me know what kind of videos you would like to see, whether it's like best sneakers releasing for summer, whatever it is that you would like to see, let me know in the comments below. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So we got these two packages right here, and the reason for that is that some of my pieces basically sold out in the process of me ordering it, so I had to go ahead and reorder them. And luckily enough, I still was able to pick up one of the pieces that I got before. Open this, and then there we have these two pieces. I'm gonna talk about this one because this is the one that I actually really wanted. These are the Stunt 101 cargos. These are fire, bro. If you don't know about these, you should definitely figure it out with these. I had the gray color in my cart, and that was the one that I got, but it's sold out, so I had to go ahead and get this olive green color. These are actually fire. They have like these pockets on the side that you can actually take off, put it back on just like that. That's sick in my opinion. This colorway is fire as well. I don't think this is a color that I would have chosen myself. I probably would have went with the gray ones, but I feel like these are so fire. Definitely excited to pair these with an outfit for the summer. I love the fact that this string right here is mad long, and low-key these might be a little bit big for me, but it is what it is. Still glad I was able to get these. Can't even play. These olive joints are hard, and I feel like you can wear these like in the water and they'll just dry up. But a great way to start this video. These go so hard. Stunt 101 cargos. Next up, we got the Heavens hoodie in a size XL. If you guys don't know, I was getting like a 2X when it came to Fashion Nova, and recently I started noticing that those are a little too big, so I sized down. This should still fit me kind of oversized, which I do like, and I just feel like it's a clean little design on the front. It gives me just simplistic vibes. It says Wild Hearts Burning Desires, then it has like these images on the front. I don't think it has anything on the back, which is a good thing. I just wanted something simple with this hoodie, and I think that it pretty much does accomplish that. Clean hoodie nonetheless. I also really do love the quality. When it comes to Fashion Nova, they don't disappoint, especially with the prices matching the quality that they do have. Definitely one of the best alternatives to these super expensive streetwear brands. Hey, you can go ahead and check out Fashion Nova and get drippy for the low. Now we're gonna go ahead and get into this Big Mama package. Honestly, I'm gonna just start grabbing from the top, and that's how we're gonna do it. Right here we have the Pursuit of Happiness hoodie in the cream colorway. I don't really have that many cream hoodies, so I was like, yo, let me pick up a couple cream joints. I just feel like I was going for like a simplistic, almost no branding on the front type vibe on this one. It just says Pursuit of Happiness on the front, Come Fly Away under it as well. Simple on the front, so fire on the back though. I really do like this one. It has like this monotone black and white big ass print on the back, Pursuit of Happiness on the bottom. Definitely a clean sweater, and I feel like it's gonna fit me the perfect size of oversized, if that makes sense. This is an XL once again, and I got a black, a cream. Can't go wrong with both of those colors. Pull the next piece out. I don't even know what this is. I got me a nice little button up. Get me trying to switch the vibes up a little bit. It's called the Rylan long sleeve button up. Once again, this is a size XL, and I was trying to pick this up in like this peachish color and like a off-white, but those were sold out, so it is what it is. I ended up getting this one, and I think it's pretty fire still. A navy blue colorway, you just can't go wrong with it. Real subtle. Wear this with like some denim or like some gray casual pants and like some boots, you know what I'm saying? Like just go somewhere and just vibe out on a different type of vibe. Definitely do need these sometimes, you know what I'm saying? I don't really have too many, and you can't go wrong. Pull the next item out. Then we got the Saints of Chaos shorts in the size XL. Let's go ahead and see what these talking about. They're looking kind of fire from inside the package, but you never know. Let's go ahead and see. The shorts are fire, don't get it twisted, but they don't got no pockets. I'm over here looking for the pockets, and there's no these are fire. Like, don't get me wrong, I definitely will be wearing these, but no pockets. Like, come on, bro. That means I gotta wear a hoodie every time. Not convenient, but these shorts are fire. I wish I would have sized down to a large, but it is what it is. Saints of Chaos right there. You do have this skull on the other side as well, and these are clean, just nothing on the back, and they don't got no pockets. Like, why they don't got no pockets, bro? But nonetheless, the design is so hard. I love what they did right here. They're gonna look fire with the perfect pair of sneakers as well. red 4s or something. Just chill day. Clean pair of shorts nonetheless. Probably like just some loungewear at this point. They don't got no damn pockets. I want to take a cool picture with these and then they're gonna be chill shorts. Next up, we got this piece right here, which is the Emotions a Joke hoodie, I'm assuming. I don't even know what they're talking about with this one, but I'm gonna go ahead and pop it open. This is a black hoodie once again. My bad, I'm kind of on this black wave. I just need smaller black hoodies, if that makes sense. This one's fire, so I decided to go ahead and get it. You got that black and green hit on the front right there with the emotions and then like these faces on it. You got the small one on the front, and then when you flip it, you got that big logo in that green colorway. This is actually sick. I love the color in itself, the big font on the back. I feel like they killed it with this piece, and people be sleeping on Fashion Nova. Like, it has its little flavor on the back, which I think is pretty sick in my opinion. If you guys do like this hoodie, I'm telling you, bro, check this out. I think these are so fire. Like, but next up, we got a pair of denim. These are the Scott skinny jeans, so we're gonna go ahead and check these out. I kind of do like the wash that they have. It's almost like this tannish wash. Like, these would almost look sick with those Travis Scott Jordan 6s that came out, the British khakis, because they have like this sand wash almost to it with like these cuts behind it, but they are covered, so once it's winter time, it won't be that cold. Actually, all the holes are covered. I like the fact that the inside right there has blue jean. A nice little touch on these as well, and they are skinny. They are, but it is what it is. These definitely do feel premium. They're actually stretchy, and I feel like they look fire. Definitely excited to piece these out with some sneakers and just see what I can do with them. But y'all gonna see more wide-legged pickups soon. I'm trying to tell you, I'm gonna hop into a different wave real soon. But next up, we got another piece. Pull this out. I don't even know what this is. We have the Lucas track jacket, if I'm not mistaken. This one, I don't even remember getting this one. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So we got this jacket right here. It's just like a retro vibe. You have like gray panels and a gray cargo pocket on the sleeve right here. I do like the hits of gray on it with a little lime green line on it as well. I kind of got these because I'm debating on getting the ready-made blazers, and I really do feel like this thing right here matches the sneakers. This is fire. I don't know if I'm gonna get those sneakers no more because I'm waiting for the Amamanier Jordan 3s, but fire jacket nonetheless. I do love the buttons on it. Really great quality zippers as well. Hey, fire piece. I kind of do like this a lot. I'm not gonna lie. I want to see what I could pull that off with. But next up, I'm trying to tell you, I'm trying to be on a whole different wave this summer. I am picking up more button-ups and stuff, and I feel like this button-up right here is so fire. It's like a bandana print on a button-up, and it's like a silky material as well. It has like cream squares, gray squares. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna put it down a little bit right here. I feel like this is fire. Different color rectangles. This shirt right here is so clean. Summer nighttime vibe right here with this bandana silky button up. So this right here is the last piece that I got from Fashion Nova. These are the Summer Games cargo pants. If you guys know, these are some of Fashion Nova's best pants in my opinion. I love these cargos right here, and actually I have multiple colors of these. Like, I have a black pair, I have a camo pair if I'm not mistaken, and now I have this gray one right here. These cargos you just can't go wrong with. Bro, these are fire. They don't have zippers at the bottom, which is amazing. They have a big pocket on each side. These just go hard, bro. Like, these cargo pants right here are so clean. I'm excited to put these on with a fit, even with like some black sneakers, some white Jordan 1s. I know the Shadow 2.0s are releasing or whatever, but you could even do this kinda. I don't know if it works too exactly, but you could do the blazers with these. I feel like it's so fire. These cargos right here, do not sleep on it. The Summer Games cargos and the Stunt 101 cargo shorts as well go crazy. But these are hard. That bandana paisley print, I feel like I did good this pickup haul. Let me know which were your top 3 items that I picked up in this Fashion Nova pickup haul. I feel like I got some heat, to be honest. My favorite pieces definitely have to be the Summer Game cargos, Stunt 101 cargo shorts. All the hoodies are fire in my opinion. I kind of do like these pants as well. You can't go wrong with some button-ups. I feel like I did great this one. Honestly, these are all things that I could throw in like a daily rotation. Low-key, this jacket is Fashion Nova too. Like, come on, bro. They be killing shit out here. Definitely go ahead and check them out. They will be linked at the top of the description. Honestly, I might throw something together with each of these, or I might just individually just put the piece on and show you guys what it looks like. Haven't decided yet, but leave a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. The sub count is right here. Like, come on, bro. Just subscribe down below. Let's go ahead and get this sub count to 19K ASAP. But without any further ado, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.